Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP on Kraken. First, you'll need to create and verify your Kraken account. This involves providing necessary personal information and completing identity checks to ensure security and compliance. Once your account is set up, you can proceed to fund it using various deposit methods available on the platform. This initial step is crucial for a smooth trading experience. Now let's fund your account. Kraken offers several deposit options, including bank transfers, wire transfers, and even other cryptocurrencies. Select the method that best suits you, keeping in mind any associated fees or processing times. Always double-check that your deposit meets any minimum requirements. Once processed, your funds will appear in your Kraken wallet, ready for trading. With funds in your account, navigate to the trading interface and select the XRP trading pair you prefer, such as XRP versus USD. You'll then choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price. Enter the amount of XRP you wish to purchase or the amount of currency you want to spend. Before finalizing, carefully review all your order details, including the amount and price, to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, your order will be placed, and the XRP will be credited to your Kraken Spot wallet. For enhanced security, especially for larger holdings, consider transferring your XRP from the exchange to a personal, secure cold storage wallet after your purchase is complete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.